Hello everyone. In today's video we will go through the process to create a new Nestracker user. So first of all you have to go into a browser wherever you want and go to www.nestracker.com, and here in the upper part click in register. Once here you have to enter your email. This email will be used for all the notifications that the tool will send you, so be sure that it's an email that you review constantly. Then, and this is an important part, in project you have to write CWC. If you fail in that, we won't receive the notification of the user creation, so your user will be lost. So please be sure to put CWC. Then you put the password 1234 or whatever you want, and finally you have to enter the security code. Click register, and that's it. Your user is already created. Now if you try to log in test.com, you won't be able, but you won't receive any message. What's happening is after you create the user, we as administrator has to enable the access for you. So after you create the user, you have to send an email to me at thomas.mora@cwc.com saying that you have created a new user, and you have to specify which markets do you want to get inside. After that, I will enable you as a user, I will enable your markets, and you will be able to go into Nestracker. Okay, so that's all. I hope this would be useful for you. Bye bye.